Hi, I'm Maria Lee Driver, the CEO of Maria's O'Shea. You need to come down and try our all-natural product, which is called Maria's O'Shea Pure Nature's Secret. This is what I have in my hair. You use the product from the top of your head to the tip of your toes. 100% all natural. Shea butter, olive oil, coconut oil, avocado, honey, green tea, vitamin E. All the natural stuff that your body needs inside as well as out. Scars, calluses, dry areas, outstanding. I have 4 doctors that's backing up for eczema, lupus, diabetic, psoriasis. So come on down so you can check out Maria's O'Shea. All natural body butter. You can find us at Whole Foods, website Maria's O'Shea, ORIASOSHAY.com. Give us a call. You can find it on the website. Thanks.